Hey, welcome back to the Mr. Excel Netcast. I'm Bill Jelly.
Basically, you start out with massive amounts of data. You say, how are we going to analyze this? Well, let's fire up a pivot table and see if we can solve this problem.
Hey, welcome back to the Mr. Excel Netcast. I'm Bill Jelly. And today's question, sent in by Mark. I looked at Mark's question. I knew that I had an answer and I would be done in 12 seconds. Mark gets data from a client, and for whatever reason, the client's GL software does not put the account ID and account description on the ending balance, and Mark has to sit there and do this, which, by the way, Mark, isn't working because, look, it's incrementing the account number. And I said, well, hey, this is going to be a piece of cake. We're going to select these blank cells here, right? Control G for go to, click special, click blanks, click OK, equal up arrow, Control Enter, and we're done. So I wrote that out in an email to Mark, and I was kind of being snarky. I said, hey, that's going to take 14 seconds to do, but I wasn't sure it was going to take 14 seconds. So I said, what the heck, let's try it on Mark's data. And as I did this, check it out, Control G, special blanks. No cells were found. What do you mean no cells were found? They're all blank. But it turns out they're not blank. I really don't have a clue what the heck they are, because when I use equal is blank, it says they're blank. But clearly there's something there. I don't know what it is. And to do this first one, I actually had to go through and delete all those blank rows. What the heck? All right, well, hey, there's always more than one way to skin a cat. So it would be a painful, Mark has 600 rows of this data, to go through and clear all these blanks out. So I said, let's do this. Let's select this whole data set here. We'll go to Data, turn on the auto filters, and then come here and choose only ending balance. All right, so now we just get those. All right, now it's going to be a little bit tougher. First of all, we're going to select these cells, and I'm going to build a formula that's pointing to just above me. I'm in A5 right now, so equal A4, Control Enter. Oh, I hate that. Of course, whatever created this is going to save those as text files. Choose it all and change it back to general. Text fields, choose that. All right, so now here again, equal A4. And notice that is the formula because I'm in A5. All right, Control Enter, and it fills everything in. We can just turn off the filter, and we filled it in all the way down. Very, very cool. Certainly not the way I expected to do it. Probably takes 42 seconds instead of the 14 seconds that this would have taken. Who creates the data like this? You know, you wonder what is up with those programmers. How did they manage to get something in there that makes it look like a blank but is not really a blank? So I want to thank Mark for sending that question in. I want to thank you for stopping by. We'll see you next time for another Netcast from Mr. Excel. Well, thanks for stopping by. We'll see you next time for another Netcast from Mr. Excel.